Makeup tutorial for beginners. First, face primer to prime the face. Foundation. Concealer to highlight. Brighter shade of that the same concealer to brighten up the under eye. Cream bronzer to contour. Cream blush. Press powder to set the highlights. Darker shade of that the same press powder to set the cream contour. Powder blush to set the cream blush. Translucent setting powder to bake. Contour the nose. Dust off the powder on the downside and leave the under eye for eyeshadow fallout. Brows. Concealer to clean and define the brows. Eyeshadow primer to prime the eyes for eyeshadow. Eyes now. I'm using a reddish brown shade on the crease. A darker brown for the outer crease. Then the eyelid, I'm using a nude shade. Blend the edges. Black eyeliner for the waterline. That's the same shade I use on the crease for the under eye. Line the eyes with black eyeliner pen. Mascara. False lashes. Dust off the eyeshadow fallout and the powder. Blend everything together. Highlighter. Highlight the face. Black highlighter to line the lips. Lip gloss. Sorry, lip stain. A pink lip stain. Clear lip gloss. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.